Today we're doing the Lego Harry Potter Weasley's Wizard Wizard set, but this is the Owl Post section because this is a large set, so we're going to break it up into two parts. You get two minifigs with this part of it, you get the Owl Post worker, and you get Lavender Brown. And here are some fun facts. So, the owls are actually color-coded, and that indicates either how far the letter needs to be delivered or how fast it needs to go. Also, the owls are different sizes depending on what they're actually delivering. And apparently the owl post smells like a dung bomb, which I guess you really don't want to be in there for very long. Just drop that letter off and go. Some people have their own owls, but some people don't. So as far as the set goes, there are cute details. We've got some owls, we've got some really signs, we've got shells on the inside, and I really love how this is going to connect to the big set later on. But you need to be staying here for part two because we're going to do the other part of the set next week.